Ilocos. This Christmas season, uwi ako. Kaya Clyde, may gift ako sa inyo. Talaga? Ano yan? Gcash ba? Joke lang. Reason mo ako. Cat Nails breakup. Di ako updated masyado, guys. Di ako masyado ganun ka-updated sa maganap sa pop culture ng Philippines. I mean, kahit saan. Make me realize. Wait lang guys I'm chatting. Point the ceiling. Wow! Thank you sa gift, Clyde's love. Did you cut your hair? Actually, no. I was actually planning to cut my hair yesterday. Tawa-tawa ko. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Clyde's love. Cute pa ng tip. Insecurity ko ang tip ko, nalalakyan ako eh. Thank you, Dane. Thank you, Clyde's love. It seems short. Oh, heart too. Hand hearts. Sabon ko ay... Cetaphil lang guys. Pati moisturizer ko Cetaphil. Cetaphil boy. Guys, actually, magpapagupit sana ako yesterday. Tapos, na-prepare na ako, nalagyan ako ng tissue, nalagyan ako ng, ano ba yung tawag din, yung parang curtain. Parang robe or something. Tapos, ano yun? Ooh, is that good thing or bad thing?
Good.
Okay. Pre, ano saban mo sa puwet? Galing. Joy po yung sabon ko sa puwet. Nasaan si Jilly? Sa ano po, sa room. May first gift sa inyo here yung sa Lipa, which is Stray Kids pieces and stickers, but na ibang gift na. Wow! Thank you! By the way guys, am I lagging? Or sakto lang? Okay. Teka lang guys, ang daming comments. Tsaka man yun. Reading it isa-isa. Si Jilly po ay nasa... Ooh! Hinahinay siya gets Clyde's love ah. Thank you so much. Pero, I appreciate it. Thank you. Parang feel ko expensive yung mga gifts na sinasend mo eh. Nakakahiya naman. Thank you. Can you comfort Alea? Nag-break kasi siya with her boyfriend. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. You can meet so much more people out there. Yeah. Totoo naman na. Bakit? Ano yung may nabasa akong quote, sabi niya? Ano yung quote?
Ano yung quote?
Don't go chasing butterflies because butterflies would fly away from you. Instead, build a garden. Then the butterflies will come to you. And if they don't, at least you still have a beautiful garden. Oh, panis.
Pinigawa pa sila ng garden.
Wisdom of the day.
Yun na lang nahihintay sila, pinigawa pa sila ng garden.
Until you're gone, I can never find peace. Waste my whole life just to be. What? Akin na lisensya mo, nagigil na ako. Ha? Anong context nito guys? Meme ba to? Abang nabang talaga ako sa live mo. Thank you. Thank you, Dane, for the gifts. I appreciate it so much. Anong context sa akin na lisensya mo? Male pop name. I'm sorry? Ha? Male pop name? Ha? Ano masasabi niyo sa breakup ng Katniel? Hindi ako updated, guys. What's the Kim Mingyu post? Darim-darim da? Ano ba? Ano ba yung Kim Mingyu? How was your day? It was nice. I'm actually very sleepy and tired. Pero, I still have stuff to do. Suggestion po name male puppy.
Sorry.
Malus. Pero gamit na yung Malus, pero still I like Malus as pangalan ng puppy. Malus or something fluffy and soft. Top artist ko, Spotify. I think La Seraphim. Le Seraphim. Oh, sorry na, ikaw na mag-live. Kaya ka pa eh. Joke lang guys, ganito lang talaga yung biruan namin talaga, pero hindi lang kami nagka-away.
Talaga ba?
Papatayan na. Joke lang guys. Don't take it out of context. Yung mga away kapatid lang guys. May kasamang sakalan lang, ganun.
Magalit.
Ganun na. Hi Jay. Most listened song sa Come On. I think it's Sour Grapes. I think. Wait, how do I see?
Sa rap. Sa rap.
Your top songs?
What's your top songs?
Sour Grapes nga.
What?
Sour Grapes, Attention, Hurt. Lesser of yun, tsaka New Jeans yung top artist ko ata. I just wanna love myself. Okay, speaking of which, I'm gonna play good parts. Kasi I love good parts.
I just wanna love myself.
Bias ko sa Seraphim, Cheon. But it's actually so hard to pick. Like, sobrang... Sa lesser lang ata ako sobrang nahirapan mag-pick ng bias. Like, every performance na nag-iiba yung bias ko. Why change your username? I forgot. Pero I wanted to change it back to my original username. This is my original username before. Clyde the Wolfie. Leader name? Match yung... Do you play basketball? Hello, Andre. Good part. Kanina to? Good parts. It's okay, Erica. Catch up soon. What product do you use for your hair? Shampoo and conditioner. Ano nakatawa doon sa shampoo and conditioner? What's the butter
Ano nga, tinawanan ko nga eh. Nag-joke. Di ba yun joke?
Hindi.
Ay,
Shampoo and conditioner.
Akala ko joke eh. Akala ko nag-joke ah.
Guys, one that sasakalin ko yun sa likod ko.
Guys, ay sorry. sorry. Naka-live. Di ba na tayo pwede magsakalan, joke?
Oh, you still remember my old username, Ariel? So cool. Story behind the wolf. I don't know. I like dogs. I like dogs so much, but it's weird if I would say Clyde the dog sa username ko. So, doon naman tayo sa mas malakas na version ng dog, which is wolf. Clyde the wolf. Glass board on the room. That one? Yeah, that's used for meetings. You remind me of NCT Jisung. Oh, thank you. I'll take it as a compliment. Ilang beses ka course nag-gym sa isang buwan? I don't know. I usually work out halos every day or every other day. Talagang this week nila ako nakapag-gym kasi may sakit ako. At maraming ginagawa. Ako sinto kamu. Talaga bati pizza Clyde Ascal. Kala ko cat person ka. Both. Pero kasi sa house guys, sa amin, we had 4 dogs and no cats. So ngayon, nagustuhan ko yung mga cats kasi I never had a cat growing up. So ngayon lang ako nagkaroon naka-interact sa mga cats. Kasi wala namang pakalat-kalat ng mga dogs usually sa streets eh. Like more on street cats.